Tippae, as a system that is designed to offer personalized and long-term assistance to its users, will be able to logically reason over their academic understanding of lessons. A typical student, in the course of learning a math lesson, will end up creating a body of work containing questions and their responses to those questions. Tippae can use those responses, along with its own understanding of the truths of the domain of knowledge, to build a representation of the student's understanding. For example, a student may be learning how to multiply two-digit numbers by one-digit numbers. During an assessment, the student seems to consistently make the same errors by not multiplying the multiplicand's 10 place by 10 before continuing, which is to say, where 36 times 7 is effectively 210 plus 42, the student instead is using 21 plus 42. Tippae will look over the assessment, then attempt to find the series of steps that the student is taking. It would do this by reasoning over its own knowledge of the domain truths. For this example, Tippae understands math problems as a series of pre-verified cognitive steps. In addition, Tippae has a library of mathematical steps that it understands as common mistakes, like the one mentioned above. It would then search over the space of these domain truths and falsities to generate possible theories for what steps the student is using. If Tippae were to find either too many or too few possible theories, it could then generate clarifying questions that could be asked to build a better understanding of the student's knowledge. Finally, from here, Tippae could use that understanding for the benefits of its users in various ways. One example would be by comparing the student's steps to a domain truth. This could provide a brief summary of exactly what step the student is straying on and how so to the teachers.